Hello, my name is Alfredo García Llano, and I'm a senior researcher of the Universidad Complutense de Madrid in the ENFIELD project. This presentation is about the environmental cost of time series forecasting models using evidence from the M4 competition. The main idea is to evaluate forecasting methods not only by their accuracy, but also by the environmental costs required to obtain those forecasts. In recent years, AI and forecasting methods have focused only on improving predictive performance. However, better accuracy often requires more computational resources, which can increase energy consumption and CO2 emissions. This creates a distinction between red AI, focused only on performance, and green AI, which tries to balance accuracy, efficiency, and sustainability. In this work, we use 8 available and reproducible forecasting methods from the M4 competition. For each method, we measure the environmental cost during both training and prediction. Then we estimate interpretable models such as linear regression and regression trees to identify the main drivers of emissions. We also use machine learning models, including random forest and XGBoost, to predict environmental costs before running the full forecasting process. The results show that environmental cost is highly heterogeneous across forecasting methods. The most important drivers of CO2 emissions are the algorithm used and the frequency of the time series. In particular, DOTM appears as one of the lowest cost methods, while GROE shows much higher environmental cost. We also find that higher frequency data tend to generate larger emissions because they usually require more computational effort. This suggests that model selection should not be based on accuracy alone. Instead, we propose a two-dimensional criterion that considers both forecasting accuracy and environmental cost. A model can be considered inefficient if another method is both more accurate and less costly. This framework helps identifying forecasting methods that provide a better balance between predictive performance and sustainability. To conclude, environmental costs should be included as part of responsible model selection and forecasting. This QR code provides access to the ENFIELD project page and to additional results. Thank you very much for listening.